marriage insurance receipt. Let's start by adding a can of green corn to a blender, 200 grams of sour cream, half broth from cooking the chicken, 200 grams of curd, but if you don't have any curd at home, just add another box of cream. Replace the lid and let it beat for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn off the blender and set this mixture aside. In a pan, add 100 grams of bacon. Mix and let it fry. After frying, remove some of the fat and add 3 crushed garlic cloves, half chopped onion, and let it cook. Add 700 grams of shredded chicken. Here I cooked it in a pressure cooker, and that's what I got the cooking broth from. On top, just throw all the mixture that we beat in the blender. Now just move. The spices used were all to taste: pepperoni, sweet paprika, and salt. Go back to move. Stay in this consistency, and with the seasoning already added to the chicken, it can be removed from the heat. Let's put everything on a platter. Fix it with the spatula. On top you can add 150 grams of grated mozzarella. Place in a preheated oven at 200 degrees and let it brown. To add that special touch, add a straw potatoes. Guys, look how wonderful this recipe is. The flavor is amazing. Make it for your lunch or dinner, which I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another little recipe here from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.